Friends, welcome again. So this video is regarding CSIR Combined Administrative Services Examination. The notification was out recently and I believe many of you have already started applying for this examination or have already filled the examination form. So this video is regarding the book list or the sources to be followed while preparing for this examination. See, this exam is a good opportunity, and why it is a good opportunity? First thing, any graduate is eligible to write the examination, and second thing is the age limit is quite good for unreserved students, like it is 33 years for unreserved student. So let us discuss in this video what book list or sources are to be followed for this examination while preparing for this examination. So few points to remember before we see the book list or sources. See, last time this exam happened in 2013 and the name of post was assistant back then. So this time they are calling it as assistant section officer or section officer. Last time when notification come, it was simply for the post of assistant, and exam happened 10 years ago. And I tried searching previous year questions of this examination, but they are not much relevant, I believe, because even if you are able to find the previous year questions, so I believe considering today's competition, those PYQs may not be much relevant. Also, if you see the syllabus, last time syllabus was different, and this time syllabus is different for this examination. One thing I want to tell you is that, see, this exam is for everyone. Why I'm saying is it is for everyone, because even UPSC candidates can appear for this examination, CSC, because lot of syllabus is matching with this CSIR syllabus. Even banking and CGL aspirants can appear for this examination. Why? Because they are already preparing this quantitative aptitude, GK, reasoning, and English language comprehension. So this exam is for both category of students. Now let us start discussing the book list. So if you see the structure of question paper, so they have told us that there will be paper 1, which will be called as general awareness and English language and comprehension. It will be conducted for 150 marks and it will be of 2 hours duration. So this paper will have three components. First component is of general awareness, where we have history, we have polity, and we have current events. And then there will be English language and comprehension. This will be separately asked for 50 marks, and these three components will be asked for 100 marks. Now remember, they have not clearly specified the number of questions here, so it can be like this: there will be 35 questions from history and polity, and there might be 30 questions from current events, or it can be 30 or 40 questions from GK. So it can be anything. They have not specified this in notification, but there will be significant weightage for all the three components. And as far as this English language and comprehension is considered, there will be 50 questions for 50 marks. So let us start discussing the book list subject wise. So first is your history of India and Indian national movement. So I believe they have given the syllabus of ancient, medieval, and modern. So for ancient, you can always refer class 11 old NCRT. Most of the syllabus what they have talked in notification is already matching with the syllabus given in old NCRT. Or if you have already read class 12 themes part 1, so you can refer that. And for medieval also you can go with class 11 old NCRT or class 12 themes part 2. And for modern history, simply go with Spectrum book Rajiv Ahir, because it covers everything, right from the facts to analytical reasoning. Everything is covered in the Spectrum book. And for safer side, you can quickly go through Lucent GK book for memorizing the facts, or Manohar Pandey book is also good. So you can go through these books, but I believe this is sufficient for history. As far as polity, governance, and social justice is considered, for polity, go with Lakshmikant. our as usual resource. And for governance and social justice, you can refer any GS2 coaching material. It can be Vision IS, Forum IS, or Vajiram, any material you can refer. And you have to prepare static theory part of governance and social justice. That is what they will be asking in examination. As far as current events of national and international importance is considered, there are three sources which I tell in every video. There is GK Today, there is Affairs Cloud, and there is Adda. So you can refer any one of them, GK Today or Affairs Cloud or Adda. Everything mentioned here is covered separately heading in separate heading on these websites, or you can refer any other yearly compilation of your choice. It is better to prepare at least last 9 to 10 months of GK or current happenings, because exam is happening in February. So at least prepare from Feb 23 to January 24. That would be enough for this examination. And this will be very high scoring portion, because anyways many students are reading these current happenings for almost all the exam and interview preparation. So this part will have high scoring opportunity. Now moving on to paper 2. So paper 2, as you can see, it is called as general intelligence, reasoning and mental ability. So there will be total 200 questions for 200 marks, and time will be 150 minutes. Now in paper 2 they have mentioned this, how many questions will be asked. So they have divided paper 2 into 8 components, and each component will carry 25 questions for 25 marks. Now first two components is what being asked in every exam. So general intelligence, reasoning, mental ability, then arithmetical and numerical ability. So as usual, you can go with RS Agarwal or any other source which you have prepared or used for preparing for CSAT or any other banking CGL examination. So you can stick with that source. And what is important is practice is key here in these first two components. As far as science is considered, they have a given very clear cut syllabus of science, like what they will be asking in physics, what will be the topics in biology. So just simply go through NCRT class 7 to 10th science textbook. That would be enough. Still, if you want to read, you can go with additional reading of Lucent GK book. That would suffice. As far as fourth component is considered, we have economy and we have environmental ecology. For economy, Ramesh Singh is good here. Why it is good here? Because it covers static theory well. If you see the syllabus of economic and social development, they have asked about growth and development. So that is covered very well in Ramesh Singh book. Then it is talking about many indices. Even those indices are covered very well. The theory portion is covered very well in this Ramesh Singh book. Plus, additionally, you can always refer Munal handouts. These are very good for revision or for understanding. Now, for environment, you have to do selective reading. So, environment syllabus, they have clearly mentioned what they are expecting in this examination. So, if you have read PMF IMS, you can refer that. If you have read Shankar IS, you can refer that. But not cover to cover. You have to refer the selected chapters only. So important treaties, protocols, and the important definitions, pollution, climate change related terms, that is what they will be asking. Because in 150 minutes you have to attempt 200 questions. So questions difficulty, I believe it will not be very high. Then moving on to the fifth and sixth component, that is ethics plus problem solving. So for ethics you can refer any GS4 coaching material. So ethics is there in UPSC Civil Services examination. What they have done is they have lifted the syllabus of ethics from there and pasted here. So on Google, n number of materials are available for ethics portion. So just download any two PDF of different coachings and go through it and prepare your short notes. And plus do practice some case studies. Why? Because they have already mentioned here key in decision making and problem solving, they will be given you the case study, and then you will have to identify the problem, you will have to identify the solution, and then you have to come up with the best solution available. That is what you have to do in this ethics part. As far as management is considered, management principles and practices, so this topic is exhaustively covered in RBI grade B examination. This topic is not prepared by banking CGL or UPSC aspirants. So this topic they have to prepare additionally. So for management, what you can do, Munal sir has already uploaded the PDF files on his website. You can download that zip file from Munal sir's website, and he has already done this activity last time when the advertisement came for same examination. So there are 27 PDFs which are given chapter wise, and they are not bulky. It is of 8 to 10 pages only. And as you see the syllabus, there is motivation, there is leadership, there is procurement, project appraisal. All the topics are covered here very well. Additionally, what you can do, you can refer class 11, 12th business studies NCRT. So here also we have to do selected reading. Only the chapters which are listed in syllabus, that is what you have to refer in these NCRTs. And finally, for geography, most of the syllabus is Indian geography, so class 11th NCRT of Indian geography is best for that. And plus additionally, to prepare facts, you can go with Lucent GK book for preparing facts like important rivers, dams, lakes across India, national highways, important power plants. Like these facts can be asked in geography portion. Plus human geography is also mentioned, so you can go with human geography NCRT. The focus should be on the definitions which are given in this book. So that is what they can be asking in this examination. So that is what I wanted to discuss with you in this video. Stick with these sources only. Don't go here and there referring many sources, and try to revise and practice more. So that's it in today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, do mention in comment box. I will try to address your doubts. Thank you once again.